Hello, friends, and welcome to Sales Funnel Tuesday. I'm your host, Kerry, and thank you so much for tuning into today's episode, ClickFunnels 2.0 Funnel Hub Walkthrough for August 2022. If you're watching this on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and bell notification. If you like this video and get some good value out of it, please hit the like or thumbs up as well, whether you're watching this on YouTube, LinkedIn, or on Facebook. And as always, please feel free to share this with anyone who might benefit from it or find it of interest. And as always, please leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing out there, even if it's just to say hi. So quickly, I want to share this one other thing. If you're watching this on Facebook, specifically on my profile, I've applied for this new creator fund thing that's called Facebook Stars. And I was approved recently for it. So during this broadcast, you can support me by sending stars, a digital gift that you can get here, which is fb.com/stars. So it's like 1 star equals 1 penny. It's nothing, but hey, it is something. So if you have any stars or you want to start trying out this new star system and you want to get a few stars and then pass them on to other creators besides myself, that'd be fantastic. I'd love to see how it works. Love to see if when a star happens, is there some kind of fun little reward that I see happen on the screen or what have you. So anyway, that's that. I wanted to share that with you. So let's dive in. Let me share with you ClickFunnels 2.0 Funnel Hub walkthrough as promised. So let me walk over here to my screen and you should see my 2.0 dashboard. And this is the home area where you initially, when you log into ClickFunnels 2.0, this is what you see so far. We do not have a lot of access right now. We don't have hardly any access to anything except for sites. And I think, if I remember, we don't have much else. So let's go back here. Let me click back here quick. There. So if we're at the home there with the apps, right? Add an app. We can just go to add an app, I guess. You see we have sites and settings. We don't have contacts. We don't have products, orders, marketing, analytics, sales, or marketplace. No problem. But it would be nice to have more of that. But for now, we're just going to deal with basically the funnel hub. So if we go to sites and funnels, we really can only do a couple things here. We can create a page. We can create a blog page or pages. We can modify our workspace site, which is basically our funnel hub. And right here, when we set it up originally, it allowed us to pick like from 2 or 3 different templates. And this is the one I just happened to pick because it just seemed like the one to do. But what we can do from here is we can preview it, which is this is what it looks like currently, right? So it has a hero image, right? Some, sales copy about why to join the mail list, get started day, action, call to action, have some testimonial section. We've got more of a bio section. We have blog post section, and then we have some other information about some products and offers if you have any, and that's it. It's pretty much simple, but it's some kind of structure to give you an idea of what this might look like in the near future for yourself and or for your clients. So what you can do with this is we can customize it, right? We can do things like site settings, edit style guide, theme settings, customize theme, explore new themes, duplicate. So let's click on explore new themes and see what's here. So we have the 2 different ones, like I said. So we had the ClickFunnels Empower, which is one I selected. And then there's ClickFunnels Launch Boss, which I think is kind of geared after Lady Boss brand, if you've seen that before. And so you can click on either one of these and install them, preset sites, and then you can go in and you can customize them. So let's click on customize. It's going to load up the editor. And inside this editor, we're going to be able to do all kinds of things that we normally do in ClickFunnels. Right? So we have across the top here, we have this hamburger menu option to collapse it or expand it. We have example homepage template is the name of this page. Shows who's working on this page right now. It's me. If I had other people working in my workspace, they could also collab on this and they could work on it in real time and make edits. And it would actually tell you who's in which section doing what, which is very, very cool. And then we have layout. We have my assets, pop-ups, again, code. So if you want to click on code, it brings up on the bottom instead of a pop-up like it does currently in ClickFunnels 1.0. We can close that off. We have settings. So same thing with background, typography, editor settings. Then we have desktop view, mobile view. We can have undo and redo, and we can preview and, of course, save. And then underneath each one of these, we just hover over them again. We can see what they are. So if we're in here, it's a section. Sections are green. We have rows, which are blue. We have elements, which are orange, just like the old ClickFunnels 1.0. So nothing changes there, which is great. You do have the code editor now. So if you click on code, it will show you the code for that particular element or section, which is cool because if you're into CSS and styling and you know what you're doing, coding wise, you can make some major modifications out of the norm, which you can't do in ClickFunnels 1.0, at least not as easily as you can do it, right? But on these tags, we have the settings. Of course, if we click on that, it pops it over here. We can see everything that we want to do inside of the settings. We still have advanced tab, which is nice, where we can do extra fun stuff like animations and advanced settings, etc. And now we have this little like what we call this is a cookie trail, a cookie or crumb trail or something along those lines. I can't remember exactly, but you can see we can go from image to column to row to section to body, right? So we can see all the different levels there, and then we can click out of it if we need to. Same with going into section. We can see it's in body section, and we have these settings here. If we want to add something now, they have, instead of the plus like they had in 1.0, they have add row or add section or add element. So it's spelled out instead of a plus symbol, which is cool. So if we wanted to add, let's say we wanted to add a video or something. So let's say add element, and then we want to pop a video in there. We could do that just like we do in 1.0. Then we could go to settings and we could add the video URL, however we want to do it, from Vimeo or YouTube or Wistia or custom embed, or whatever the case may be. And so we have that option there. If we don't want it, we just delete it and remove it. So this is, the power of building out a full-fledged website or funnel hub where you could have all your sales funnels linked. Essentially, it's just like a homepage or index page of your site. So this would probably be branded mostly after a business owner or the business itself, depending on the type of business it is. And then all the different items on this page, if we scroll all the way down to like the products and stuff, these would all be separate funnels. And then we'd have to create those funnels in another section. So like for this instance, and this is in site, so we have site theme pages, we have home page, blog, home, page not found, coming soon page, and we can create additional pages or use existing pages here. But if we wanted to actually create a funnel outside of the funnel hub, we would need to go into funnels here, but see, it's grayed out. We don't actually have access to it. We can't actually click on it. We can't actually create a funnel inside of 2.0 yet, but that is coming soon. So that's kind of what I wanted to share with you. I wanted to show you exactly how to do that. The other options here was like customize the theme settings. So let's click on customize theme. I think that's just going to bring us back into the editor. Yep. So pretty much the same thing. If we wanted to go back here, let's check a couple of these links. So we can see here, now we're under themes. So it shows the theme here. It's under active on my workspace's site. So we could duplicate this, make another theme, right? We can customize page templates. We can look at theme settings. So right here, we can give it a different name than what it has. Advanced settings, we can configure some stuff here. We can remove the theme. We can update the theme. You can learn all about what themes are and how they work and how you can apply them. You can see the ones that are active, which ones are inactive. There's probably a better thumbnail for this that will show up eventually. And, that's our theme. Then under styles, we have the style sheet, right? So we can do the same thing. We can customize designs. We can edit this, which means probably editing the name of the theme. Yep. So that's that. So let's go back. But if we wanted to customize designs, we'd click into it. It's going to open up an editor like this, where we can then go ahead and we can do things like changing out our the size, our fonts, our colors. We can pick out our primary colors, what theme colors we want, do stuff with the background, etc. We have shadows, we have borders, and we have buttons. So all these are button styles for this particular theme. We can modify them any way we want, and it'll be universal throughout our site or funnel hub, and or if we're building out any funnels and using the theme for that particular funnel as well. So all this stuff can be built one time, or you can make duplicates of it and then modify, so you can quickly and easily make variations of these things and then apply them to any particular funnel hub site or funnel. All right, so I don't want to bore you to death with any more details on this stuff. I just wanted to share with you exactly how you can quickly and easily build out a funnel hub inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. It's very easy. It's almost exactly the same as building out a sales funnel in ClickFunnels 1.0, only the functionality isn't necessarily to get a lead or make a sale. It is actually to be more of a landing page or a home page for all of your funnels throughout your entire business, essentially, and to be indexed well with Google, so you can get some organic SEO and get eyeballs on it for free. And of course, allow people to investigate your business better when they go to Google and search for who you are, what your business is, so they can find your sites like that, and then they can go down the rabbit hole with you. So there you have it. Okay, that's all I wanted to really show you today. I appreciate you guys for showing up. Thanks so much. As always, if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button or bell notification. And if you did like this video and got some good value out of it, please hit the like or thumbs up as well. And if you would be so inclined, please share this with anyone who might benefit from it or find it of interest. I'd really, really appreciate that. And please leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hi. All right. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys again real soon. Take care.